Today we're going to take a look at a PIXIE by Estetica, one of their most popular. This one is called Jet. It's in the color Smoky Rose. We're going to take a look at the details of Jet as well as this color coming up. Be sure to check out this style at Wig Studio One. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, you will find a direct product link. It'll be labeled Estetica's Jet. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You'll see all of the colors and pricing. Estetica styles are always an automatic 30% off at checkout at Wig Studio One. If you have questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. So let's get into this little style. I love this PIXIE. PIXIE season is upon us with the warmer weather months. I love PIXIEs all year round, especially when they're so beautifully tailored and sculpted like this Jet. So Jet is a textured PIXIE. It's asymmetrical. You're going to find about a 4 to 4.5 inch fringe area here that kind of likes to swoop over the side to create an asymmetrical look on the right. So the layering on the right is a little longer than the layering on the left. It has a nice boy cut sculpted look in that it's a little slimmer through the temple, and then you've got about a 3 to 3.5 inch piece right at the crown, which gives it a little bit of a profile, and that tapers down into a 2-inch nape. So I really enjoy that sculpted look on this style. Now what really sets this apart, especially from other PIXIEs, is this lace front. That lace front is every bit 2 inches deep. It almost reminds me of a little half of a monofilament top. It's going to open up so much versatility in styling. So getting up close on that lace front, you're going to see that it runs temple to temple, and it stretches about back to here. So you can part this in multiple directions. I always want to take advantage of off of the face styling to show off this beautiful lace front. It's light textured, it's light density, and there is very little permatease. You're going to find permatease on the top, sides, and back of this style. You're not going to find any at the nape or at the temple just over the ear tab. So that really does sustain this style well without being overdone. It works very well with glasses. Jet weighs about 2 ounces, so it doesn't get much lighter weight than this. So if you're looking for that perfect PIXIE but just want to add that little bit of a lace front to get all of those versatile looks, I think this one would be worth a look. Now let's chat about this Smoky Rose real quick. I love this color. I think anyone can wear pink as long as it's the right pink. And this one kind of comes out of the fashion world and into mainstream. I don't feel this is too dramatic of a pink at all. In fact, the base color here is just a warm base platinum or like a baby gold. And then you're going to see ever so slight hints of pink that's run through it. A nice muted pink. It is a warm pink. So overall, this is really warm color, and it is not rooted. And they bring the highlight right up to the lace front, and it just looks brilliant with all of this piecey look around the face. So thanks again for joining us today. Be sure to check out the links below this video. And if you haven't already liked, please like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you again soon.